this is Michael. Welcome back to ePapery. Today I'm going to just do a very short video. I'm going to start a new journal, and even though Erin's already done one, I'm going to do a journal with the collection that she did for Garden Collage. I want to use this fabric as the cover, and I'm going to do some embroidery or slow stitch on it. So today I'm just working a little bit on the cover and figuring out signatures and things like that, and I thought I would just bring you along a little bit. So I'm making this out of a file folder, and I've already cut it a little bit here. I still have this side. I want to measure to make sure that I get this. It's going to be 6 by 9. So if we look here, we've got 9. I want to make the 6 from the middle. Or no, not from the middle, I'm sorry. I want to make this 6 from the edge. And of course I did not bring a pencil over here. Wait a minute. Oh, goody, I found one. Okay, so there's my 6. I had marks on here already, but they're wrong, so... See, this is why I don't measure. Because I don't do good with measuring. Which mark was the right one? Okay, this one right here. Okay. So I'm going to get that, try and get that as straight as I can, and cut this off there. And then the same on this one. From this edge of the spine is already 6 inches, so I measured that one right. I just didn't measure the other one right. So there's my file folder. Okay. Now, that was just to show you the base of what I'm going to use. This is the fabric that I want to use. So, and I'm going to make it padded. I can't decide for sure. This has got a big wad of something in there, which I don't like. This is, believe it or not, leftover padding from a bed cover that I had that we're no longer using. So I'm just going to use this for the padding on it. Nobody's going to see it anyway, so there we go. So what I did then is I took and cut a piece of fabric that is roughly about 1 inch or half an inch, maybe even. Yeah, it's probably only it's about a half an inch, sorry. About a half an inch all the way around. And the padding is pretty close to the size of, well, let's see, maybe we should look at this because I measured it when I had it done wrong. So in actuality, it is quite a bit bigger then. But for now, I'm just going to leave that the way it is. So before I do anything else on this cover part, what I'm going to do is just take it and hand stitch all the way around it, and then I'm going to do some embroidery on it. I have something on there. I have a few colors of embroidery thread. I'm trying to pick out which one. This one I kind of like. It's more, and this one I'll add something to it maybe. This one is a little lighter. So I don't know, I might use all 3. And then see if I can find, I have, I think, a light lavender that will work there too. I'm not exactly sure how I'm going to do it yet. I'll work on that. But it's probably going to take me a while because I usually don't have a whole lot of time. So, but I think this is going to be the front here. And I don't know, depending upon how I decide to embroider it, I may put one of my crocheted ovals on it on the front. I like that, except I don't like the color of the thread, and I don't like the blue. But I like the color of the roses. So, I don't know. We'll see. Or maybe I'll make one of my big padded butterflies to put on top of it. I'm just thinking. Who knows? And I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do on the inside yet. I have some of this fabric, which is just a light pink. So I might utilize that. I have some of this lace, which I thought maybe I could put on the spine. Or I think I had, whoop, oh dear. Yeah. Actually, I kind of like this. This is a vintage or antique. I don't think it's antique. I think maybe vintage. And I thought, well, that's kind of pretty too. Or even if I put a strip of this underneath it, would add to it too. So those are, you know, just some of my thoughts. We'll see what I end up with. So then what I'm going to do here is just go through the pages here from the kit and show you those and give you an idea of what I think I'm going to do here. So I believe there are 10 pages, feature type pages in this kit. And goodness, okay. So there's one. I really love that. And I love this almost like stitching down here. And this one, pretty greens in it. And I've gone ahead and printed on the back of these. Some of them I have printed some of the doily and lace collection that we have. And so, and then this one, the wonderful little girl who I just love. And this, on the back of this, is from the Basic Blues collection. It's a background page in there, and it works really well for backgrounds or backing page. Here's another one with a pretty blue butterfly. So I think what I'm going to do is put like 5 of these in. There's going to be 2 signatures, so I'll put 5 in each signature. And then this is another one of the doilies and lace. Now, why this one printed out so dark, I'm not sure. And there's another cute little girl with the Basic Blues background. Beautiful bird one. And that's with the doilies and lace. And here's one, a lot more green and yellow to it. And that is one of the doilies and lace. And here's another one with some pretty butterflies and beautiful yellow flowers and a bird and the doilies and lace. And this one is my favorite. I love this one. So we got that one, and that's got the Basic Blues on the back of the kit. So like I said, I'm going to take, I think, 5 pages from each, or for each signature. And I think I've already pretty much got them in the order that I want, except now I have them upside down. So I will take the white edges off here, and so that's 3, 4, 5. I think those are going to be okay. Yeah. And I think I will make this a center spread, or maybe not. Maybe this one. I don't know. We'll see. I'm undecisive, aren't I? So that'll be in one signature there. And then these will be in the next one. So I'm pretty sure on this one I want this as the center spread on this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's that one. And I'm just going to pick a few more things. I got this cutter on the table. Pick a few more pieces of paper that I can... Oh dear, the dogs are barking. Drives me crazy. So here's some graph paper. So I'm going to put that in there. Here's some pretty gold paper. I think I'm going to do something with that. Here's some staff music paper. One on each of those. This is some really pretty vellum that I found at a Goodwill store, so I figured I'd maybe put one of each in there. This is some dyed paper that I did, so I figured I'd put one of those in each signature. And I need to coffee dye a few more of this one, so I'm going to put one of them in there. And maybe one of these. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I already have 6. Okay, well, 6. And then I think what I'm going to do is put one of these in each. And maybe one of these coffee dyed ones in each. So that means I have a total of how many pages per signature here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 13. So that would be 26 pages per signature, I believe, if I'm doing my math right. And not only do I not measure well, but I don't do math well either. So just to let you know that. So anyway, that's kind of where I'm going with this. I just wanted to, give you an idea of what I'll be working on. And every once in a while I'll come on and do some things. I might do a little bit of stitching on the video, or I might work on some of the ephemera. But that's kind of where I'm going with my next project. Thank you for joining me today to take a look at my project, and we will see you again soon.